Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is ms.nimaro. Today we are making chicken stew. I've been having these leftover chicken backs in my fridge, so I decided to make stew out of it. Please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So add your tomatoes and the onion mix in a blender and blend it to a paste. Don't forget to add some little water, and at this point you can also add your green pepper or anything else you may want to add in. It's your food, add whatever you want. So this is my chicken. I had marinated it for like an hour just with garlic, some onion, salt, nothing much really. You can add in anything you want, anything you feel is good to marinate your chicken. So I'm going to bake it, because if I go direct into frying this kind of chicken, this is not local chicken, it will break, and I like it more firm and a bit dry, so I prefer to first bake it for a while. Or if you can't bake, then you can decide to deep fry. That also works. So preheat your oven to 250 degrees for about 5 minutes, then bake your chicken at the same temperature for about 25 to 30 minutes. Don't forget to check on it, turn it around. If you want yours to brown, that's okay. I really did need it to brown, so this is fine for me. I just have to wait a little while and it's done. So in a cooking pot, add your cooking oil, your desired amount. I cannot dictate that. Here we are cooking without scale. And some onions. Some people call these shallots, I'm not very sure, but add some onion. So let it simmer for a while and then add in your garlic and ginger, since they brown so fast, so it's better to add them after you've added your onions already. So after it has browned, then you can add your blended tomatoes. Stir for a while and then leave it to simmer. Please do not cover. I repeat, do not cover. Otherwise you shall stay here the whole day, because we need all that water to evaporate. We need that tomato to turn into a paste. It shouldn't be this watery, so it should turn into a paste. Yes, after it has turned into a paste like that, and you can see cooking oil on top, then you can add your carrots and your curry powder, salt and everything else. So now it's time to add the chicken broth. Remember that juice that came out from the chicken while we were baking? Just add some water to the tray, soak it, and that will form our chicken broth for today. Add it because that's what we're going to use as the soup. If it's not enough, then you can add some little water, or if you have broth that is stocked in the fridge, then you can use that too. Cover and leave it to simmer for a while. Right now it's okay to cover. So since it has simmered, then you can add some cornstarch, or if you have potato starch, you can add any of that. This is to thicken the soup since we've not used a lot of tomatoes. Also, to my cornstarch I added some sugar because I forgot to put sugar in the beginning, but it's also optional, but it really tastes good. It's like a miracle worker if you add some little sugar, like a 1/4 teaspoon in your stew. So make sure you test your salt, and if it's not enough, then you can add when it's early, because we don't want to be eating raw salt. So after our soup is ready, our stew is ready, it's time to add in our dried chicken. We add it on later so that it does not soak too much of the soup or the water, and then it softens again. So add it towards the end. Remember, you already have the chicken broth in the soup. Yes. So that means your soup already tastes like chicken. Mix for a while, let it simmer a bit, and then your food is ready to be served. So lovelies, our food is ready to be served, to be eaten whatever way you want, with rice, matoke, with gari, with fufu, with potatoes, with konkal, millet flour, with anything you may want. It's all your choice. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, tell me if you tried out my recipe. Thank you guys, much love.